there's another project that just requires some basic skills and just a few hand tools, but a lot of patience, and that's refinishing furniture. Now, it might be a family piece like this sewing machine that's been completely refinished. It looks great, and the homeowners here can enjoy the look of it and the fruits of their labor each and every day. Now, if you're about to refinish a piece of furniture in your house, there are a few things you need to consider to make the project a success.
A chemical stripper is the quickest way to remove an old finish, but there are a lot of different varieties, so make sure you follow the directions carefully. If they say leave it on for 10 minutes, then leave it on for 10 minutes before you begin scraping. A putty knife with rounded edges is great for this job because it won't tend to gouge the wood you're working on. Now, you can remove the stripper residue with water or mineral spirits depending on the type of stripper you've used. Now, begin sanding with a more coarse grit of paper, then work up to a finer grit. The stripper, scraping, and solvent will raise the grain of the wood, so you'll want to smooth it back out. It's messy, but if you apply the stain with a rag, you'll have a little more control. Then, when the stain is dry, you're ready for several coats of finish sealer to protect the piece.